BMW Motorrad has unveiled the striking new Concept RR, a prototype that clearly signals the brand's commitment to the next generation of high-performance superbikes. At the core of this aggressive new machine is the same 999cc four-cylinder engine, powering the world's superbike racer, delivering a staggering output of over 226.6 brake horsepower. While the Concept RR is not road legal in its current form, BMW's focus is evident. This is a purebred performance machine, unshackled by emissions restrictions and built to showcase what future production models could achieve. Notably, the inclusion of headlights suggests that a street-legal version is part of the long-term plan. BMW has equipped the Concept RR with the same advanced electronics package found in their World Superbike race machines. This includes state-of-the-art control systems for engine management, traction control, engine braking, and more. Riders will interact with these systems through race-spec switchgear, while the typical full-color TFT dash has been swapped out for a compact, track-focused display. The Concept RR features a highly adjustable chassis, with manual suspension tuning at both ends. The cockpit includes new adjustable clip-ons mounted to a sleek, blacked-out Bonamici racing top yoke, while the swing arm pivot and foot pegs are adjustable to suit aggressive track riding positions. From every angle, the bike exudes purpose. The bodywork is sculpted entirely from carbon fiber, with a minimalist single-seat unit perched atop an exposed Bonamici racing subframe and a raw aluminium tail section. The underbraced swing arm differs from the road-going S1000RR and features a carbon fiber cover and rear hugger, all wrapped around a Pirelli Diablo Superbike slick tire. Aerodynamics have been a major focus. The Concept RR's streamlined silhouette aims to enhance both top speed and cornering performance. The rear bodywork bears a notable resemblance to Ducati's Panigale V4R, while the front winglets are more compact than those seen on the current M1000 and S1000RR. Subtle secondary fins located beside the gold-trimmed headlights are designed to aid stability at high speeds. Braking performance is also race-derived. At the front, the bike uses Brembo T-drive fin discs, which are currently used in World Superbike with diameters of 338.5 mm and thicknesses ranging from 6.2 mm to 7.4 mm. These work in tandem with monoblock aluminium calipers. The rear features an underslung caliper, designed for efficient wheel changes, perfect for track use. BMW's Concept RR is a clear statement of intent. By combining cutting-edge race technology with striking design and uncompromising engineering, BMW Motorrad is laying the groundwork for the next evolution of its superbike lineup. While still in prototype form, this machine offers an exciting preview of what's to come for road and track enthusiasts alike.